Okay, I'm back from the gym. It was a lovely session. I didn't really think I'd start enjoying doing my upper body, but it's very, I don't know, refreshing. It smells Lana for some reason. Do you guys know the TikTok guy, man? It smells. Yeah, I just realized I left the TV on. Anyway, okay. So yeah, guys, I haven't been here a lot. I said I wanted to be consistent, but these past 2 weeks, I haven't been feeling like recording. I wanted to talk about WeThinkCode. WeThinkCode is changing from NQF level 5 to NQF level 6. That is equivalent to a diploma. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's recognized when it comes to university, because I think that would make life so much easier. Going to WeThinkCode for the 2 years and getting your NQF level 6, and then going to university, doing a BTech for a year, and then you can do your honors. That would be cool. So they did say for us who have completed, we'll do RPL. RPL is recognized prior learning, I think, yeah. So we are gonna do maybe a few modules, and then we get the NQF level 6. But now I'm at UNISA and I'm trying to finish my degree. It's now what do I do? Do I do this and then maybe cancel and then do advanced advanced diploma certificate? Because there is one at UNISA and they need NQF level 6 and it's a year. It's so what do I do? Do I just complete this one and then maybe cancel my studies, complete this one, apply, get the NQF level 6, apply for the advanced diploma certificate, and then do the 1 year, and then after do the honors? I'm confused, babe, right now. Oh, and guess what? I found 2 of my caps at home. So now, if I do decide to go unpack one, I have a hat, I have a cap. So I just took a shower and now I'm continuing with my work. And I also wanted to speak about Devin AI. On my comments, there was someone who asked about Devin AI. So yeah, he said, so the question was, yesterday Devin AI was launched. That was 2 weeks ago. Do you think it's still worth learning code? Will there be coding jobs in the future? I am a noob Java dev, worried about AI software engineers like Devin AI. And then there's someone who responded saying there are software engineers behind Devin AI. All of this is still in its early stages. Something like this isn't going to leave you jobless. Also, because of the constant change in technologies, human hands have to be involved to guide AI. In its training and in those gaps is when you come in. So hopefully this helps.
Devin AI is an impressive generative AI solution that claims to be a new kind of AI engineer designed to perform software engineering tasks. Their jobs in the future, which could mean fewer jobs for them. However, AI is also expected to create new jobs like specialists in AI apps, data experts, and roles focused on making sure AI is used responsibly. So being open to learning new things is really important. Devin is designed to work with engineers to help them do their jobs better, not to take their jobs away. So far, it's been pretty good at solving software problems and helping actual projects. So in conclusion, Devin won't take human jobs because Devin is a robot programmed to assist and support humans, not to replace them.
So yeah, that's it about Devin AI. Let me get back to work, and yeah, we should just stop stressing for now about the industry being oversaturated, about the degrees being redundant. Like, yeah. But don't be surprised when I change and I say I want to be a real estate agent. Like, I think it's a new passion. Okay, all right, yeah. Guys, have you ever gotten a ticket that makes you want to change your career? Like, you look at it and think, maybe I'll be a better singer. Maybe if I did art, I wouldn't be so stressed. Maybe if I was a real estate agent, I would just not be stressed and I would have money. Just deal with people. That's not me right now. I can't relate. Okay, I have a question. So, you know, at WeThinkCode now, we were using Linux. Like, everyone had their own distro, right? Some people used. Okay, I have a question. So, when I was at WeThinkCode, everyone had Linux. Some were using Mint, some were using Ubuntu, you know. And then you go to a workplace and then they're like, use Windows. So we used Windows and I was just so comfortable with Windows. And when they were like, who wants to change to Linux? I'm like, no. So now, do you, like, maybe at school you were using Linux or whatnot, and then at a workplace you use a certain thingy, are you still like, I want Linux, I want Linux? Does my question even make sense? So guys, I don't know if you know, nah? But if you know me, you know Guti, I just want 4 million rands, like, in my bank account, because I have a certain house that I want to there's a certain house that I want to buy cash. There's a certain car that I want to drive and I want to buy cash. Like, there's a certain school that I want my daughter to go to, and it's expensive. But that 4 million will be fine for me, you know? And then I continue working without stress. So my question is, how do I get that 4 million? Nyenze njani? Like, I need it, like, today, like, next week, like, by the end of the year. On a serious note, by the end of the year, like, I want 4 million rands, because I need that house. They're gonna buy it. They're gonna buy it. And I'm gonna be so sad when they do. At least the car, I can always just tell. It's always gonna be a new one. Maybe they'll make a newer version, whatever. But that house, it's 1.7 million. It's not so bad. It's a 3-bedroom house, beautiful. And then also right, like, so like a normal person, but have no stress. You know, I'd have good investments. I'd have, yeah, well, good savings, emergency savings. Like ngizosebenza with no stress. You know how awesome that would be? Not having to stress about money. But anyway, on a serious note, I need to do my Q2 to-do list. Because I'll be going home for the weekend. And yeah, when I come back, it'll be April. It'll be Q2, so I need to get on with my goals. So during lunch, I think that's what I'll be doing. No, I'm lying. I need to eat because I'm hungry. I'm just waiting for daily stand up. Actually, yeah. And then maybe I'll do it later on, but I need to do it. Or maybe not Easter Monday. Saturday Sakura, eh? Saturday Sakura, Mara always looks like it on top of my game. Ah, hey! Saturday Sakura, Mara always looks like it on top of my game. Everything that says is a booyah! Hey! Okay guys, so it's almost time to fetch my daughter. I think I'll end this video here. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Until the next one, bye guys.